The 5 stages of Linux. Denial. It's okay. I will just download a program that has a more streamlined user interface. Anger. Screw Linux. Screw this program that forces me to use the terminal like a prehistoric monkey. Bargaining. Hey developer, can you add a GUI? Because there is no way for me to edit the config file without using the terminal. Depression. Maybe I should just go back to Windows. Acceptance. Sudo pacman-syu. Program name and man program name. When I was 6, my sister was half my age. Now I'm 70. How old is my sister? Your sister is 73 years old. Our jobs are safe, fam. Juniors fighting about what programming language to use. Seniors. PHP. I don't know what microservices are, and at this point, I'm too afraid to ask. Project running late. Ask management for help. Adding more developers. Never ask a functional programmer what a monad is. Worst mistake of my life. Me print hello world. Output hello world? Why I'm so good at coding. Command important dot file. Command important dot file. You have to create something in C++ because Python too slow. You decide it's a good excuse to learn C++. You get the segmentation fault and you have no idea where it is from. Process finished with exit code 139. How I code for hours with no breaks. I coded too much, and this happened. Devs when the package labeled as highly unstable and untested is actually highly unstable and untested. Mom, can we have generic? No, there is generic at home. Generic at home. You merge, I rebase. We're not the same. All unit tests passing. Every man's biggest fear is getting rejected by a lady. You have clearly not programmed in C++ before. Every character has an ASCII code that represents it, a color, a sound, a smell. My boss told me to find the highest number in a list. Just use the max function. Too late. I used a for loop and now I'm fired. Nan equals nan. False. Nan includes nan. True. It's up to you to break generational trauma. Java code convention is camel case. Java code convention is camel case. It's okay, Rocky. You use whatever naming convention you feel comfortable with. Python, 2015. It should also be emphasized that Python will remain a dynamically typed language, and the authors have no desire to ever make type hints mandatory, even by convention. Python today, Python 3.12 static typing improvements. My ability to code, the code I want to write. Visual Basic for applications. It's even uglier up close. Read the documentation. Spend 4 gallons of someone else's water and a kilowatt of electricity asking ChatGPT. Show me the easiest programming language. I said the easiest. Perfection. So, you're a developer? That means you copy code from Stack Overflow, right? Me. You understand you just insulted my entire race of people? But yes. Finishes programming assignment, makes all the comments look like shit so it doesn't look copy-pasted from ChatGPT. Here's a little lesson in trickery. Name and describe the 5 key phases of software development. 1. Denial. 2. Bargaining. 3. Anger. 4. Depression. 5. Acceptance. Libraries are just mods for programming languages. Change my mind. Linked lists. What is my purpose? You will be used in coding interviews forever. Oh my god. Just decided to recode CSS. It doesn't fit.